I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Rogue windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism. Then, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Once the old blade is free, gently lower the bare wiper arm back onto the towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. This simple maintenance helps keep your visibility clear and safe. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.